Hi everyone, this is Geeta Sajani once again. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, if you are new in my channel, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Please, it's my humble request. Today I am going to share with you the very delicious recipe for the mango lovers, including me. See, mango is all-time favorite for all the people and it's a king of fruits. So I will share one recipe of mango dessert. It's a mango chia pudding. So let's dip chia. It's a 1 tablespoon chia I had dipped in the milk and rest it for the half an hour so that it raise its quantity. And see, after that I had taken 3 little bowls in which you are going to serve. So pour the dipped chia in bowl. After that I had add 1 digestive biscuit in each bowl. It tastes very yummy and different taste, so please do follow this step. You can take any other biscuits also. I had taken the digestive biscuits. After that, take 1 mango and make it puree of in blender and add sugar also. It's a common step, so I didn't show that step. So add mango puree in the bowl, and after that you can add basil leaf or pudina patta for decoration, some almonds, pistachio as according to your choice. You can add dry fruit. So see how yummy it's looking, guys. Do try it at your home, please. It's a very yummy and a very quick dessert, and people will definitely like it, and at your home also. See, it's very appealing, so do try at your home. And please guys, if you are new in my channel, please like, share and subscribe. And if you want to see this type of yummy recipes, please follow my channel. And goodbye for now and take care. We will meet again in other recipe.